Hello everybody, my name is C-Mace. I'm moving from Rhode Island to Oregon, and along the way I'm going to be taking DoorDash and other delivery orders to try and make enough money to pay for food, lodging, and fill up my tank with gas. I'm leaving the 31st of July, so while we wait, I'm going to post some shenanigans of things I've run into. This video is admittedly a bit dark. I tried my best to clean it up. It's not like it's scary or anything. I mean, if you're worried about a small child, just have them cover their eyes or something. Don't make them leave. I need the views. Have them log in. This is great. The picture, which is supposed to help me know what the guy's door looks like, just has the cat. I'm gonna cut it out and show you guys. It has the cat outside. Oh man, it's the little things with this job that make it fun. God, if only they paid a small amount more. It wouldn't take much, DoorDash.
Destination is on the left.
This one? All right. Maybe we'll see the cat.
They're the same picture.
The cat! Oh my god, I feel terrible. The cat, like, literally, like, was right up on my car. I think you guys must have seen that, actually. Oh my god. Perfect. The cat was at the tire of my car, and as I backed up, it must have been following me because it was so close to it still. Oh, that's incredible. That cat. Anyway, we got $11. We got jump scared by a cat. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching. If you'd like the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more, share if you know someone who enjoys this kind of nonsense, and comment down below the last time you had a cat sticking to your car like glue while somebody rushed you out of their driveway. Have a great day, a swell afternoon, and an alright night. Like, it could have been better, but at least it wasn't last week. Oh, and the fit for today has been chillin' and grillin'.